Adom TV Badwam Kase Facebook/Adom TV Kase no ho wo Go TV ahwehwe wo 176 and a DSTV so benya yen wo 280 me amesomo anopai midin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT yensam no sadi nchiremu no ankasa etie mobile telco subscribers sanasa womo a edi tetefo no edi wonjuma any mobile agent ahodo bi ye wokuma se wombe sori ade achibia no a wosemo no asenya adwuma nsam ngonworan wom se wom akeka aka ho bi amene adwuma no sade nka mobile money no na nkesi ekoso no ene ntesa akora mfama wom so a ede frɛ ede ye wonwuma nso no ene enhada nkoye saa mfama wom ntimpanifo ehwe na de ekoso bia wo network no ho no won hwesiesie mfama wo
registration yes say I go through anyeye eno ye me mfom so say nye me mfom so eye mo mfom so ye sika da so mo de ka ne de man twa wo sim mo ye ne sika da so no aya we registration am so anyeye ne sika no na masan twetwa ye sim ni mu na ye me mfom so ana say ye omo we registration ne mfom so me sika da so it's more than 3,000 medjuma me ye adwuma mo ba money wahano na mutwa me kafa medjuma mu nyina bi ba mo ba money eno an ye de ye adwuma
enene 3 days ana me tu sa na mo no yes me nya me network me the MTN phone no ye no dia enye fine nti yesro mo ye no mo bie man na esu yantumi nya bibi nti ye doso a enye me nkwa
anye na mo text message say ade na wo ye anye na me sa meye nti a metina osa na masa block me ntimi nyiska ade ba ko ye hini say obi send ska so na mama na ba enso nipa no so ntimi nyi nti ade ntina sa asem na esesi na obi send ska mun che say ya block ne sem no so be mani pa na send ska ne so enso won ntimi nyi ya sika islam enso mo de wo ko ye sika man na mo fa mo sem awu fa sika na mo fa mo anu
ya block no bisika was ya block no me ya kwa ya block no ya se obi a meye me ya fie say ya be ya no dada ya register ya bibia wie efri be na awotwini ya block no ya pesika kwa to aduane ya de ne nkwala na ya block no ya ba ya o mo se akufu ado ana block land ya so ya ji ya wudi se anya na rado ana block land etisa na
akufu ado abre Jama penny abre, no man penny also block numbers yes so or block them no munya kwan and anyone come on na we sika guso a serious mum ye fa grow nyina ntonchen na MTN said the economy dey hadwin me anto akase no eso adwadifo a wo mo water station so ehunu se ne fu abo no nyame adom abafom ti won mo stress nke be ye nso a genti abo no said ye kosora mututumu no kenu so abafom yi Montete so from Monti, almost a GPLTU, ne GRTCC, Ministry of Transport, and will be bia a can be a woman, say woman for one to movie. Now, Laura Feno so a kunye.
Mentia say Ghana for a chomrodo. Yet too lolly for this is one. On because I never for because I am to so Yateson, so be a cannot tomorrow be anti on Teso. Tell on penny for no so TV so no make us no so near home more na driver for 2 lolly furnace chromoso ejo
first was free papa na obaha 250 pesos and at once no almost see 450 pesos see na me free about me 550 pesos
as o man tumbi
omutumu da obia sisi driver for na say awuti ka mukra say ni obia pe na omudi atoso because betima fa ka bia beje 4 series obetima fa bia beje 550 pesos
na we ana driver for wo mo water station enso wona dwenkyira wo mo ekire efa sasem yun ebini
obia si yatifu eso nti yenti lole fe ne so enya sa na omuka ani spare parts no muto aboso kan o mati so ani oye na yetogu engine no o mati so Iji yakoto ni 60 million and ya yako ese yakoto bi no muto 120 million. It is a usi wati diesel so na nyamara aka no unti so ya no de na unim se waye. Unya hwi. Enya no na enya o. Onti nyama na aka spare parts no. Energy port no. Onti sa duty na de ade ne so.
Obi a so le passengers before car no mo ne e kun ene ya to ya tifu e so ye nte fe so ya isie no fu eno de yenim se omate so fine omote so no aboso kan yakwa omonte no ma so ye de anya de ye bete so.
Ministry of Education said 2022 wasi and so no said the nkra no atwa no peche saa no de edadi se free SHS ye adwuma e wo mu so ha wo mu de nenso hwe said de ne me kron dia ekoyie na public relation officer wo ministry ho kwasi kwaten e de nsemi etudwa
results on them say obese mpanifo se obi nsitro do matwa ana say wani sam so a ye ne nyawo one more court almost the evidence speaks for itself. We hear and so now you near Mofra na. I mean for the past 8 years, I mean counting 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It is only 2020, 2021, not 2022. And now what are more than 50% of candidates one munya the grade of A1 to C6 in all core subjects. What it means is that one more transfer my friend almost transferred so here no. When yakura because say one more than 50% in A1 to C6, we have access to university. We are automatic by default. But when they compare a fee trade for instance, my mom will be disabled 2018. Social studies say Movrano one munya 73.25. I just say I was sort of now so some of Rana 2018 in mathematics 38.15. And the Ushemu pa de nipa 38.15 penny bit my Ako University by virtue of the pass rate of the mathematics. But about 2020 and 2021 2022 the minimum average was 60%. That is a more friendly more than one idea aquastro. Say free SHS policy are increasing enrollment, you know. Nanka the outcome will be a negative consequence. Nanka more friendly to on the contrary, the evidence also support that. Because rather no. The Minister for Education, Dr. Osedu the innovative response by as the way of the tackling access, which is a double track. But a reduce class size access and no maybe and Koran teaming co money man could do the tertiary level. Brunifre be the gross tertiary enrollment ratio and cost revenue 40% of mining developer.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana Augusto Shano na financial analyst Michael Anan said debt exchange program na by ne day bandi on some review. Na one de wo shrumpo se wanhwa ebenya ohawo ewo ye banking sector no eso ebegu ebinum kojo to ne munchiremu on Adom TV edi nkomo yi.
Wa usika na se wonya no or the mao kiti. So it is like a payment plan. There's a my bebo bisia wo ho me si metua wo china. Edru ya no me si senia me situation tinanti mean to me in mao enti next week me ma kakra next 2 weeks so me ma kakra na sa enti you have rescheduled the payment. Now oye we a say won mani pano another document say wa san bobsia in a different schedule enti no na your friend debt exchange program. Chese omo wo mun de omo anya atom we no akoye te say government akasa all the pyramid juma no bi well chese o sika na kasa no effectively no dear ashi and what it does, the most dangerous aspect of near air caution say there will be complete loss of confidence. Just say GDR yenye wo financial institutions no mono sa GDR no be conform pa. We know about to me akosi a run on most of the banks. On say banks no sa sika na ye de to no so no be no mo fa e de djuma no. Enti one year na resulting into a panic situation. One year na kude na obi ayi ni sika kakra na obi ayi bank woni fie ubehwe no na financial sector na nkasa no
yakomra hye bedwafie mu a wo mugusu ebobo ho 2023 year budget no nenra ade se communication committee wo mra hye bedwafie member bako ABA Fuseni ono de obaya evidence based and wode ebeden na die wo ho kura dokono kire fish ka ho se de ne bo no tie enti wo mo de to aban nanim se wo so ye bibi edefa economy ne ho adom kase etwaso
the real issues of the management of the economy vis-a-vis the impact it has on the lives of our people. It's clear. Mr. Speaker, before your distinguished self last year, I brought before this house, at that time, a bowl of keke. Mr. Speaker, this bowl of keke, even though it has even suffered some koshoko, but was 2 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, today is 4 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, this fish, which I brought the same size last year, was 6 cedis. Mr. Speaker, this one is 12 Ghana cedis. This keke and this fish alone. This economy has been run into a ditch. And no wonder I am making a clarion call again to the group of 98, our colleagues on the other side, who have gotten up to ensure that the finance minister is shown the door for his disastrous performance.
Ma planning committee, de ma NDC Amanyoko National Delegate Conference, Baso, or Alex Sebefia, say, and they, the Omoba year, or Omabat when we never daddy, and what 2024 no more same could be a bear one more dear, and no some money Adom TV, it was so.
The 10th National Delegate Congress takes place a week after the Women and Youth on the 17th of December 2022, which is also a Saturday. And it takes place at the Accra Sports Stadium.
We no di to dwase esa engineerhye wa hodo ya na eba esi ahene na etu ahene edin mu ewo abato da ne ntino omo edi kan edi wono mo beto aba ne bidin nyina abetu dwada da esese obia ogidi so ye esi ahene ana etu ahene no ekohwe mu bie no hunu se ne din wom se de be ye da ne beso no obi emfa kwa edu mebom panimfo se we ne din afrim emfa tabo no emeto abato ne so.
Do not come and give us an injunction on the day when you have had all this time to rectify any issues you feel are necessary, because most of the time some of these things can be dealt with very quickly ahead of time as opposed to leaving it to the last moment, and that is why the delegates list has been sent out.
Kwanchirafo abedi akire ya ohwe emra hunsam so wendi samanyeko no mu a wono so eka abadwako yi hu bie baba jama nso ekire akwan ahodo a sesan sentwerofo efa so sane be ya wo benya ahyenso de a wo betumi e de abedi dwuma awabato no ase.
The accreditation secretariat no will be located inside the stadium, and it's a new accreditation before then you will not be able to enter the stadium, let alone get the accreditation, until you have to just take note of it.
Adishare ya womo wa Asante Achimagogo sanu krebi animu da de wo mra hwebedwa ni ka e wo mra hwebedwa fie se plantain processing factory na wo ho no eye adwuma orandi apia kubi na wode ensem tudwa wo mra hwebedwa fie wo 2023 e chirum se 1D1F enhyehyɛ no e wo ne constituency wo na eye adwuma me ka se kra wo mo de bode e call Canada mino emu nenso na de hye ye wo kro no mu so oboa hwe ni ho no mu aye adwuma Adom kase etoso.
Mr. Speaker, it is also for us to create the necessary partnerships with industry players who probably have the financial resources to want to go into industry. So, Mr. Speaker, when we have taken advantage of the internal markets within the country and the markets as created outside the country, then we can see the import and effects of the 1D1F program.
Na we na omanfo a womowa Asante Achim ede abetudwa se 1D1F brode factory a mrahwebedwani ede atudwa ewo mrahwebedwami womra na omachire omanfo a womowo mpatemu bebi a factory no ewo
bra bibie ni ha obi obeka se ya bie factory bia no woboa
yesi na mo sa yesi awie no de yente
bode factory de be hu se yesi ba na si wo ewura kura akata so obi amfa bode bia nkwa brochiro bia ma ya hwewa.
Municipal Chief Executive Officer our mpatemu no Francis Otibuatin enso ekasa efa
edane de yesi awia expect say de machine be chim na start processing no and afin so no ye hu say say nya warehouse so because the body and be doors be bra na he na store no.
Kane Municipal Chief Executive MCE Emma Asante Achim North Pont George Frimpong enso edi to Adom News enim se enya no kre wonsema amrahye bedwani no edi koto dwai.
The aim a no mo de yesa ni nyina se aban no yesa na se bank ne ma obosia interest rate no aban no for 50%. TN Exim Bank ne koe. Eno ka say since 2019 kofa collateral bra kofa we di secretariat na na mo so to bia utui be bank na say this kind my no amfa my my get it back to 1D1F secretariat say sika no yen sanka do mo ntimi nka say project no mo adisika bia be wura mo na bibia ti say